Very office-friendly, user-friendly machine. It's really simple. We've just wheeled it in through an office door to do this video today. You can plug it into a 3-pin output, 13 amp, not a problem at all. The door opens up like so. You've got a built-in camera on here, so you can actually monitor what's going on the machine whilst it's printing on your phone, your iPad, or on your computer upstairs if you're away from the machine. To change the build tray, it's in here. You've got a simple latch handle at the front. You push that down, the tray comes out. The parts are built on this tray. It's reusable and flexible. The parts simply pop off. To put it back in, you drop it in and you lift the handle back up and it locks in place. We have a material bay down the bottom here. So this one slides open very easily. And then we've got 2 model bays here and 2 support bays here. Model 1 and Model 2 for your materials, and the same for support 1 and support 2 as well as. This means that you've got long running times on the machine. You don't have to worry about running out of material or having to come back in and do those changeovers. It does it for you automatically. So you can have days of unattended use on the machine, especially if you're building those large tooling, jigs, fixtures, CNC machine tooling, or those large prototypes as well as. For the user interface, for the material, if we stick with that, you've got 2 bays here. It's obviously denoted material 1 and 2 and support 1 and 2 as well. Tells you the name of the material that's loaded onto the machine, along with the percentage of material left on the canister itself. So again, it will automatically switch between material bay 1 and material bay 2, and the same goes for the support if you're running low on those. Also, ease of use wise, if there's not enough material on the spool, it will tell you that it's not enough material, and it'll allow you to do the automatic changeover, or you can change the material spool yourself before you start the build. So we've covered off the material bays and how to change the tray over very quickly. Let's have a look in the top of the machine. So it's got interlocks on there, so it's safe. You can't open the door whilst the machine's printing. You can't open the lid on the machine without opening the door first. So you have to open the door first, pop the lid up. Inside the top of the machine, we have the 2 heads, 1 model and also 1 support. Very easy to switch out. Takes less than a minute to change the head and about a minute to change the material over as well as. And we'll do a close-up on how to do that later on in the video.